Hi friends, today we will discuss about how to publish the report from Power BI desktop to Power BI service. For that we have to first log in into the Power BI service account in Power BI desktop. After that we have to create a report in Power BI desktop. So I have created the report already in Power BI desktop. So later we have to save the report in your desktop. So I am saving it. So the file name is AP Results 2019 Dashboard 1. So save it. So after saving the report, click on the publish. After clicking the option publish, we have to select the workspace. So I am selecting the workspace is my workspace. After that you have to click on the select. So after it will show like success. Once you get a success message, it will publish done. So let's verify the report was published or not. So for that I am going to my workspace. So see, the report was published. So after publishing the report was published in the service as a report in report view and data is in data set. So in report we have the visuals, created visuals or created report. In data set we have the data of the dashboard. So this is the way we have to publish the report from Power BI desktop to Power BI service. Thank you. Hi friends, today we will discuss about how to check the data model in Power BI service or published report in Power BI service. So for that we have to go first Power BI service account. After that we have to go to that report. In that report we have report and data set also. We have to go to data set, click on data set. In data set it will shows the open data model. Click on that open data model. Then it will shows the data model of the report. So see, this is the data model of this report. So this is the way we have to check the data model in Power BI service account. Thank you. Hi friends, today we will discuss about how to see the data in Power BI service. So for that first we have to go to Power BI service account. After that we have to click on the any data set. So I am clicking the data set. So after clicking on the data set we have to click on these three dots and click on show tables. Then it will shows the tables which are in that report. So it will take time but it will load. So this is the way we have to see the data in Power BI service. Thank you. Hi friends, today we will discuss about how to enter the data manually in Power BI service. For that we have to go first Power BI service account. After that we have to click on the create. After that we have to click on the paste manually under data. In here we have to change the data type also. If the data is in number, we have to select whole number. Is in decimal number is currency. Select the currency. So the first I'm giving the employee ID. So I'm selecting whole number. So edit. If you double click on the column, it will edit it. So here I'm giving employee column. So salary and currency. So I'm selecting currency data type. So after that you have to enter the data. Employee ID is 101 102. You click on the place. The rows also increase 103. And enter the employee name. So select the district designation also. So for that I am creating the new column. Designation. This is also a text. So after the creation of report, the table name as employee details. So after that you have to click on the you have two options. You have to create auto create report or blank report or create dataset only. If you click on the auto create report, it will create manual automatically the default report. Like it will create quick report. So without we are creating, we are just you have to enter the data. The Power BI service account will automatically create the one dashboard. So this is the way you have to enter the data manually in Power BI service. After the entering the data in Power BI service, it will create automatically the report without doing any one. It will create it. So this is the way we have to create the data enter manually. This is part 1. In part 2, I have to tell how to create the report by using dataset. So please watch part 2. Thank you.